What is your knowledge about velocity?
Velocity is a good city. I visit there. People, long building and food very suspicious.
Excuse me, do you mean delicious?
Yeah, same. People give good hospitality.
Do you mean hospitality?
Yeah, same. Hospitalized.
Okay, what's your profession?
I visit countries and good places. I am a terrorist.